Okay, today we're going from Camp Verde into Cottonwood, and then we're going to try to go off-road from Cottonwood to Jerome and break in our new shocks. I just got back from the alignment shop and we're all good to go.
Your seatbelt belt is not on. There was just a coyote that was behind us, of course behind us, but he crossed over into this ranch where there's all these cattle.
Close the door. I don't want the coyote to eat me.
Coyote's not gonna eat you. So we're on the trail, was it Mingus Mountain? So Taylor's gonna try and help me learn how to off-road a little bit because I don't do this. I'm always a passenger. So wish me luck. Okay, talk about how I don't know anything about off-roading. I think that's pretty cool. Sticking your hands out the window to show somebody how many are behind you.
Same thing on snowmobiles and dirt bikes and whatever.
Well, goes to show how much sporting activities I do that have wheels and engines. That gave me anxiety a little bit. Not a little bit, kind of a lot of bit of anxiety.
There's Jana sweating.
I am. Okay, our clearance has gotten better too, so I'm like, I shouldn't be so nervous, right? Are we good?
Turn left.
I am. Feel scared.
You can't stop here.
Okay.
You need to go left. Left. Get off the brakes.
Okay.
You can't lock up like that, or you're gonna tip over.
Okay. Lesson learned.
The gas pedal is your friend.
I thought you were supposed to go slow. Slow as when you tip over?
Yeah, when you stop and you're on 3 wheels.
Okay. All right, well, there we go. There's Jana's lesson number 1. At least that was a little one.
Yeah. Stop. Lock the rear. You're good. Keep coming. Hey, avoid that. There you go. How was it?
You have a lot of patience. So.
I only yelled at you once, so you're good.
Thank you. It wasn't, I don't know. I get really nervous. That wasn't as bad as going down that hill, so.
Yeah.
Still a little nerve-wracking.
We still got a lot of rough trail, but.
The route we were going to take per the Gaia map, the road was closed to go straight up to Jerome. So now we're just cruising, and supposedly Mingus Lake is somewhere over here, and I don't know if we're making it to Jerome today, but we're still going to have an adventure. Never in my life did I ever think that we would buy a brand new car and be doing this. What's that stuff that you have on it though for scratches? Because we always get Nevada pinstriping, or I guess
Xpel
technically now it would be Arizona.
Paint protection film.
Well,
Self-healing like clear bra. Yeah.
Okay, we made a quick pit stop so that we could pee, and I switched Taylor for a little bit because this road is like super narrow. Kind of stresses me out. He's killing it, of course. He's so used to this. And your watch thinks that you're doing steps. That's the road, right?
Yeah, it's hard to see. Let's see if there's
So tight, but now it's just rocky.
like, yeah, I don't know what it's called. It's like trail cruise control. So now I have it set at 4 miles an hour. You can just set your cruise control super low.
How are you feeling?
I'm glad we're through that narrow section.
Yeah, me
It's
too.
not very much fun.
Look at all these.
Hopefully it keeps up. It'll wash out. Don't worry about that. Now we got little Einstein on.
Welcome to off-roading with kids when we were supposed to be at our destination already.
This ride's amazing. We're doing 20 miles an hour on something that I would have been doing 5 on.
Look!
This is a sick spot.
Wow, this is super cool.
Beautiful spot.
On that Gaia map. Okay, that cool campsite, Taylor's gonna mark it. That would be cool. You're obviously not gonna get there from where we were unless you're tent camping. So, going through Prescott is probably a good choice. I got out to walk for a minute. It's so pretty up here and so much cooler than being down in the valley. This is amazing. Okay, this is what we're talking about, if you can see it. Do you see all these scratches? I don't know, it's really hard to tell, but it just comes off though.
Yeah, this thing would be like a giant clear coat mess after that if we didn't have that.
We hit so many trees.
Ridiculous.
There was no other option.
It was like the width for a side-by-side or even a quad.
Or like the cyclist that we saw.
Yeah.
He's probably fine.
You could go in this far easy, it looks like. There's the motorhomes.
Yeah, I don't know. We'll see what it looks like the rest of the way.